The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. Here, Brenda Hay talks about the diversity among her fellow welders in training.
When I did RSI in Phoenix welding, there was, I think, 3 girls. There was 21 of us, and I think there was 3 girls, and everybody else was boys. And everybody was much younger. They could be my child. And I think there's 3 or 4 that was my age or older than me. So it was pretty diverse. And even in the ethnicity of it, there's all different walks of life. So everybody was very unique, and their own reason of going to welding school was completely different. Mine was because I enjoy welding and I know there's a lot of money to be made. That was my reason. And other people were like, well, I don't want to go to college, or I can't afford college. And it is cheaper to go become a welder than a lawyer. And you can make just as much money.